Sometimes I don't feel like coming to work, but I'm glad I did today because it's cool in here. It's hot outside. Look at this, 95 in McAllen, 105 in Rio Grande City. That shouldn't even be legal on a April afternoon, but it is hot all across the valley. Good news is where it is hottest, the humidity's actually dropped a bit, but it is humid along the coast and in Cameron and Wilsey counties where temperatures have been in the low 90s but are falling back in some cases into the upper 80s. So we're still at 91 though in Harlingen. Tomorrow's highs though, cooler finally for a couple days, not just one of those little one-day cool downs, but temperatures still in the 80s tomorrow. I mean, it's not going to be like, sweater weather, but breezy weather, lower humidity, temperatures hovering in the 80s most of the day. Starr County, you never know, it might pop up to 89 or 90 there in western Starr County, but cooler everywhere than today, and then it will be feeling much cooler tomorrow night. So your day planner for tomorrow starts off, depending on where you are, right at around sunrise or 8 a.m. If that front isn't quite through the valley, it may still be kind of humid along the coast, but temperatures will be starting to drop off a little bit into the 60s near sunrise. The cold front will be coming through then. Then the breezes pick up. A little windy, lower humidity, temperatures back in the 80s during the day with a lot of sunshine tomorrow and not as hot as today. A couple of showers in North Texas, but all the big storms and rain with this front moving way to the north, so we won't be seeing any chances for storms popping up here or anywhere in South Texas with this front. In fact, you look at the front on Future Track, there it is tonight. It's still to our north, and by sunrise tomorrow, it's about right on top of us. Then the breezy and cooler weather comes back, and temperatures tomorrow, again, as you saw, mainly in the 80s. Once the winds die off tomorrow evening, then we're looking for a calmer, kind of cool night. Remember back on Monday morning, yesterday morning, wasn't too long ago, I think Oscar said it was like his favorite morning or something. It was like around 60 degrees and nice cool morning. We could have that or even cooler weather by Thursday morning. So if you liked yesterday morning, it's coming back again on Thursday, and even Friday morning will still be pretty cool. But the sunshine will be back most of those days as well for Thursday and Friday. By the weekend, this high pressure, which is kind of the center of the cool air, moves away, and then the flow comes back in from the southeast, so the temperatures will be going up by Saturday and Sunday. But here's a close look on Future Track tonight. Some clouds may form later tonight with all that humidity, but the cold front you see near us by around 6 in the morning coming through the valley. Once it moves through, then the breezy, cooler weather comes back. Winds will be exceptionally gusty at the coast, though. There are gale watches in effect at the coast tomorrow with those strong winds. Future Track shows the winds picking up from the north and northwest, roughly in about the 15 to 20, 25 mile per hour range tomorrow, and then fade away in the evening. But remember, again, some strong winds at the coast. And again, if you are at the coast, temperatures in the 70s most of the day. You see the winds from the north around 25 miles per hour will be a bit gusty, and in fact a gale watch in effect tomorrow, as you see on the Gulf waters and Bay waters. It could be rather choppy out there, so watch out for that. So first 7-day forecast, cooler for a few days, highs in the 80s, lows could dip into the 50s on Thursday morning and Friday morning. Tomorrow looks rather breezy, but Thursday and even Friday there won't be much wind around. The weekend, though, gets kind of windy again. Saturday, the breezes pick up. Sunday could be pretty windy with temperatures back near 90 on Sunday, and then the hot and humid weather returns again early next week. So we'll be keeping our fingers crossed with this cold front coming our way in your first 4 and 5 forecast coming up.